I'm a very goal-oriented person. When I learn new things, I like to set goals. As an example, right now I go to the gym and I've been doing so for a little bit over a year. Initially, my progress was there, but it was slow. Nowadays, the progress is significantly faster. I can actually see the gains. I can lift more weight. I have better cardio. I go more often to the gym. And the biggest unlock for me has been setting goals that are measurable and then tracking the progress. Now, in the world of language learning, most of the language learning apps, courses, programs, they're not very goal oriented. Or at least the goals, it's not a primary feature of the program, app, or course. And I personally find that for learning languages, and really for lots of different skills, just for my personality, I suppose, and for others too, really, I do think that having some concrete goals and measuring the progress forward, I do think that it becomes a source of motivation. I'll give you this interesting story. And I've been doing a lot of assessments recently, and I will show language learners exactly where they are in terms of their level, for their grammar, for their fluency, their comprehension. And I'll do so in a numerical fashion. So I'll say your grammatical accuracy is 89%, or your speech rate is this many words per minute. Your comprehensional ability is this. Your translation frequency is 3%. Your da 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 da, right? And the numbers are almost always extremely motivating for people. First of all, they're usually pleasantly surprised. They're like, oh, I didn't realize my grammar was at 92%. Oh, I didn't realize that this is where I was on this aspect of fluency. Second of all, it often brings a sense of, I suppose, relief, because now there's an objective finish line for fluency, quote unquote. There's an objective finish line. They can see where they are. They can see what the next steps are to move forward, and they can see what the timeline looks like. It's like, oh, I'm this many months away. This is the pathway. The clarity, in my experience, definitely does lead to an extra amount of motivation and definitely less anxiety. This is something I want to touch on in a future video, but let's leave this one here. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your language learning.